How to delete suggested on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you log into your account. Then proceed by tapping on three pop menu icon at top left corner. Then select gear icon at top right to access setting page. Under this section, you need to scroll down. Select privacy and safety option. Now you need to select hidden contacts in order to see your hidden suggestions. Now to hide suggested contact, you can tap on the plus icon at top right and search for the people and the contact you want to hide from the suggested list. And then tap on hide contact button at bottom center. Once added, these people will no longer appear in your suggestions. So by following this step, you can remove unwanted suggested people from your Messenger app and control the contacts that appear in the suggestions list. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.